Orlando Pirates, I think coach Enza Masab. Tito Masangai came to the bench Lungisa sometimes. Ngobu Tito, it was very comfortable dropping Afino Orlando Pirates to number 10 which end up utolu isolate to Mabasa there or Yamtan Tito. I love him, he knows football Tito. But the mindset he needed to change and Magangena the positive mindset uhlale Afina my opponent. We link nombutuma. Ngicela ukumcompliment umbutuma naye namhla udlalile umchita. Sometimes you don't have to score. Yabo, two step like just two step away from it defend is it different and it did exactly the 1-2 le bayishayile no Tito and Tito good continuity sometimes angeke udlala ibhola enyaweni Tito modla number 10 akumelanga ulifune enyaweni ngibona irun continuity and noma ngabe bamphasanga besobona ukuthi umbutuma kamphasanga wamphasa could finish from him and also Sipombule I think did very well. Pirates dominate game. Ngoba first up badlala ngespeed esi1 the Pirates. Sometimes just train labafana and train labafana and nikwe ne element of surprise. Pirates between him Umbatha, well done to the coach kutamgcina Umbatha cause nakutamkhiphe na during the week. I think coach ibonile makenza analysis ukuthi it's a big mistake ngidrop game. Umyekile noMbule, Mbule makadlala central complementing each other. When Pirates go forward, they support both of them. Umbatha is more of going half. Mbule always supporting. And honestly, they were playing against not a strong opposition. Anyway, they can't match Orlando Pirates bagule position and the quality I don't think it's the same. Well done to Orlando Pirates. I think they've been professional in this game by scoring 4 goals. Also, Otto Lalile, I need to compliment him. I think Otto did very well. Not much of Sibelebele again. I understand they are surprised in during Hispania and Namshaba Pinda. Sibelebele coming. I understand why. So, well done to Orlando Pirates. Chakuma. I'm today, Baba Mitama Giant. As Utsuashilo first half, it was Goliath against David. So there was no way. I think they were here to learn. Because there's nothing much that they did. I can't so cool much. You understand? We can't see in individual. I'm not player that thing all of them I think I'm talking about the whole team. I think they were fans. And sometimes it depends that was too good for you. I mean they're playing against national team players. Compliment the bench Orlando Pirates Mauza is a bench did some compliment. Also Sedan did very well, but I believe he's a striker. Because sometimes you don't have to take somebody on. You take somebody shoot. That's why Mabam Thalisi striker. Like Pizzo what he did, Kama Pilat, Magafia Santown, some Sosa going Amleta number 10, Alimitele, Lugiagu traffic. Very good player, but sometimes Yazama decision is so simple. Ichakumeni thing Ibonanga Bonkulego, eh, Beba Funu proof point, man. Decision never went wrong. Sometimes overdo things. I'm not too sure, but it's a small team trying to sell themselves individually. Yeah.